In today's video, I am going to teach you how to turn off Out of Office in Microsoft Teams. If Microsoft Teams is still showing an Out of Office message, it can confuse coworkers and cause delays, especially after you are back at your desk. The good news is that clearing it only takes a moment, and you can do it right from the main Teams window. Start by opening the Microsoft Teams app on your computer. Give it a few seconds to fully load so your profile and settings are available. Once Teams is open, look to the top right corner of the window. You will see your profile picture, or possibly your initials in a circle if you do not have a photo set. Click your profile picture to open the account menu. This menu contains several quick options related to your presence and status. In that list, find the option that says Edit Status Message, or depending on your current setup, you may see the message you previously set displayed there as your current status message. Click that text to open the status message box. Now you should see the text field that contains your current out-of-office message. Click inside the box and delete the text completely. Make sure the field is empty, since even a short leftover phrase can still display to other people. Take your time to clear the entire message so Teams does not keep showing an outdated note like you are away or unavailable. After the text is removed, your out-of-office status message is effectively turned off. As a quick tip, it is helpful to glance at your profile area again to confirm you do not see the old message showing anywhere. If you are working in a busy organization, clearing this message right when you return helps keep your communication clear and your availability accurate. And that is all there is to it.